Hello everyone, my name is Zhao Qianding. Today my presentation is introduce my data science case study, the crime predict. First of all, I would like to introduce the background story of the project, which is planned to be implemented in Los Angeles. Los Angeles is an important industry and commercial, international trade, science, education, entertainment, and sports center in the United States. However, such a city has a very disgusting problem, that is the crime rate. Los Angeles have one of the highest crime rates in the United States, more than 85% of state. Everyone here has a 3% chance of becoming a victim or crime. In this course of the police duty, the LAPD has killed more people in the year than any other law enforcement agency in the America. So Los Angeles has high police mortality, high criminal mortality, high probability of citizens suffering from crime. In order to improve this problem, I hope that the city can start a criminal prediction system to reduce the incidence of crime, reduce economic losses, improve the security of a police and a resident, and protect the property and life of the citizens. In the way to achieve this is to collect existing crime data and perform machine learning to generate a set of hotspots that can predict future crimes and display them with a visual map hotspot analysis. The system automatically generates reasonable task assignment for police officers to facilitate early warning and allocation of a police force to reduce the possibility of crime. Next, we need to describe the data to be collected. The content of data is the meta information of Los Angeles and the past crime records. Data source, Los Angeles Police Department database. The data type would be CSV, JSON, or text field. All of them are very easily to read and process. Volume, taking up about 315 MB of space. Variety, the diversity of data sources is relatively simple because the data source used to train dangerous area and limited to report fields stored in test. The next page is the data processing. The software will using Spark Big Data Computer Platform. It is based on MapReduce algorithm and to achieve distributed computing. In the process of computing, the output and the result can be saved in memory, which can reduce disk and network I/O time, and is more suitable for data processing and machine learning. Storage system will use HDFS distributed field storage system. The system has the advantage of high throughput data and high fault tolerance. So that is easy to store and manage a large-scale data set. User can store data in the form of field. The last part is the data analysis. For the development of the system, the learning method would use BP neural network to complete the system training. Neural network mimic the certain nervous system of animals and are used to estimate or can rely on a large number of input and general unknown approximately functions. The data should be standardized before being used for training, so that influence of the characteristic trend of the dataset on the sample causes by distance is reduced to the same level. Considering that crime has the nature of a neighboring transmission in both time and space, after the hotspot have been identified, taking the number of criminal cases in the current and past period of time in the region and its neighboring region as input, and the number of crimes cases in the next period of time in the region as output, after all area are modulated by comparing the average absolute error of the test set, the range of the better adjacent area, the range of the past time period, and the number of nodes in the hidden layer of the neural network are determined. Finally, this model will be used as a core algorithm of the system to achieve crime prediction. That's all. Thank you for listening.